Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're on Arthur Wint Drive, checking out another new development. We're in the vicinity of the Bustamante Children's Hospital. We're close to the Edna Manley College as well, Edna Manley College of Visual Arts. We're also close to the JDF back gate, so we're checking out a new development. I'll show you guys that shortly. So welcome back to Rush for More Reviews. If you're new, definitely subscribe for more content. Subscribing is completely free, and definitely leave your comment, guys. Like the video as well, and definitely share so that more persons can see. So Arthur Wint Drive, checking out a new development. So Edna Manley College of Visual and Performing Arts is right there. That's the back entrance. And we have the Bustamante Hospital for Children. A little distance down there. So this is the new Stewart'S Automotive building on Arthur Wint Drive. So they're still in pre-construction phase. We see the infrastructure still going in, so a couple months still left in terms of this development to finish. And so this is the side view. Right here is where they usually keep their new shipment of vehicles. So this is also their space. And then around this side is the Bustamante Hospital for Children. So new development, Arthur Wint Drive, Stewart's Automotive, building a 21st century design vehicle, you can call it office space and showroom. Alright guys, I'm ending the video right here. Remember to subscribe if you're new. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to share and like the video so that other persons can see. and definitely leave a comment in terms of what you think about this development, Stewart'S Automotive, a new building. And remember, there is also options to donate to the channel in the channel description as well, including PayPal. So if you want to contribute, definitely do so. So see you on that next video, and thanks for watching.